Hey everyone, it's Jay here from Arcan RV. Today I'm going to be showing you our 2025, this is actually made by Skinny Guy, so it's our Armor 10 LT. This is a cool compact floor plan. You'll notice you do get the outside shower on the side here as well as your water hookups. And then the rear is going to be your full outside kitchen area. So this is going to show you a little mini fridge inside here. You do get the microwave up top, storage, and you'll notice that everything's going to have a magnetic closure on it, and it's all going to be a solid steel inside. Slide this guy open. You have your 17-inch griddle cooktop right here that sits right below your fridge. And then you do have countertop space as well as outlets, and then your sink to work as well. Nice cool little feature too, you do have the rear receiver here to hook something in if you're carrying something behind you. And then the stabilizer jacks make it so it's not gonna rock around while you are inside. This guy here will have a roof that we have taken off that sits out here like an awning, as well as 110 watts of solar on the roof itself. Let's pop inside this guy here and we'll see what we're looking for. As soon as you enter in, you're gonna notice this beautiful layout here. You do get these pillow tops as well as some storage right in behind them. And you do get the cup holders on either side. All of your storage all the way throughout, you'll notice has this elasticity on it in order to keep your things inside. You'll notice the side mounted AC here, as well as your max air fan on the roof if you're not plugged in. So you can run that off 12 volt. And then your Truma is gonna control your hot water heater as well as your furnace inside this guy here. You'll see your output for your furnace right here. And then you do have your charge controller there for the 110 watts of solar on the unit. The roof rack on this guy is gonna make it so you can carry whatever you want, whenever you want. And the beautiful LED lights on the outside make it so it's nice and lit up for you. This was our 2025 Skinny Guy. This is actually the Armor LT 10X. I hope you liked it.